So here's how to activate sleep mode Pokemon Go Plus. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this you have to, in the map view, tap the main menu button. At the top right, tap the settings button. Tap connected devices and services. Now click on the accessory devices. Scroll until you see the sleep data option. Tap the toggles next to share sleep data with the Pokemon Go. To be able to claim cards, you must use the Pokemon Go Plus device. Track your sleep. Follow these steps to track your sleep. Before you go to sleep, start a sleep session. Hold down the main button on Pokemon Go Plus until the indicator light flashes blue. So that's how to activate Pokemon Go Plus sleep mode.